y'all, I am jumping right into this video, and basically I'm just showing you what my hair looks like after being in a high puff from an old twist out from a week ago. It is past due for a wash. That's why I'm scratching my scalp. It is itchy, ready for a hot oil treatment as well. So let's get to it, and let's get into the rest of this video, just showing you what my hair is looking like before. Okay, y'all, so don't judge me because I just got out of the shower, and the first clip I was showing you what my hair was looking like before washing it. I just washed, shampooed, no, I'm just kidding, get your words together first. I just shampooed, conditioned, and now I have in the Aphogee Step 1 treatment. Trying to get these curls back because your girl suffers from heat damage, which is technically my fault, so it is what it is, but I am working on it. So I'm gonna leave this in for about 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. I know it says like 5, but you know how we do. 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna hop back in the shower, rinse it out, and deep condition using the Aphogee texture treatment mask. So this is what's in my hair right now, and this is what it is looking like. So I'm gonna give another 20 minutes, and then I will hop back on here once I wash this out and I deep condition, all that good stuff. So I will see you in about an hour or so. Okay, it is the next day, the next morning, and I just finished getting out of the shower, rinsing out the deep conditioner and all that good fun stuff. So I'm actually going to do my hair off camera because I have some stuff to do, so I got to hurry up and do it. But I'm just going to show you what my hair is looking like, freshly washed, with no product in it. And you see how much water is in there? But we're not going to talk about it. But so this is my hair, freshly washed, deep conditioned, and I'll let the deep conditioner sit in overnight. So I'm going to attempt to do a wash and go is what I'm going to try to do. So let's pray and hope this works out, because yeah, heat damage and wash and goes don't really go together, but I just need something quick and simple and for it to air dry. And when I finish, I'll get back on here and show you what it looks like. But I did want to show you the products that I will be using to do this wash and go. For my leave-in, I will be using the As I Am leave-in conditioner. It will be my first time using this, haven't opened it, just purchased it yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. And I will be using the Aphogee Curlific Curl Definer. That goes along with this and this, because it's supposed to help with having protein in it and definition and control for texture hair, and it's supposed to help with humidity too, so that's great. And then lastly, I haven't decided 100%, but I might use my Eco Styler just because I tried this once last week when I did my twist out and I loved it, but it's not really heavy, and so I need something kind of thick to hold the wash and go. So I might use this at least on the front of my hair where the heat damage is, and then go from there. But these are the products I'll be using. So those will be 3 products. And like I said, I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, start in the back, work my way towards the front. I'll show you what it looks like before it dries, and then I will show you the finished results once it dries. So I guess I will see you all in about 5 seconds. I'll make that about a second. All right, see you soon. Okay, so I just finished doing the wash and go. It's still wet, but my hair dries quickly. So hopefully in the next 2 hours it should be dry, and then I will get back on here and show you the finished results. And I just tied up my edges, which probably will still look a hot mess. But yeah, I'm trying not to touch it too much. I'm gonna put on my clothes, get ready, do what I have to do, run out for a few, and then I will show you the finished results. So stay tuned. But this is what it's looking like. Obviously, it's not perfect, obviously, but we're gonna roll with it. So I'll see you in a few. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and this is the finished result of my wash and go. Final thoughts. I think it turned out pretty good for the most part for being heat damaged. I will say the front of my hair, which is the one part that's heat damaged, has always been a looser curl pattern, completely different texture. I have 3 different textures in my hair, and the front of my hair has always been really loose. So the heat damage just made it more loose, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is what it's looking like up close. And just a side note, I did use the products that I showed you, but in the back, I only used the Curlific Define Curl Gel that I showed you by Aphogee, and then from here to here, I used the Eco Styler Gel, and that was it. So, because where this is a looser texture, I wanted something a little stronger of a hold to give, so it's also more elongated because the front of my hair is actually longer than the rest of my hair, period. And I really want to get a diva cut, but there's no one around here to do diva cuts where I'm from, so I'm going to have to go out of state and get it done. So I'm going to try to look up some places, maybe like in Charlotte or North Carolina, something like that, and find somewhere to get a diva cut because I really want to get a nice shape. But I think it turned out really good for what it was. I was expecting it to be a lot worse than this, but this is actually rockin' wearable. So I'm excited. So I'm just going to give you a little quick glimpse. I said glue. Glimpse. That's that side. Here's this side. The top. And then I'm going to show you the back. This is where I used the Aphogee Curl Cream, and I really like it. And then, like I said, in the front, I used the Eco Styler Gel. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you would like to see how I did my wash and go, please leave that down in the comment section below, and I will make a video on exactly what I did. It was nothing fancy. It was actually quick. My hair dried within an hour, y'all. Like, legit, an hour. It's still a little wet in the roots in the back there, but other than that, it's good. I have not picked it out. I have not combed it. I have not fluffed it. I have not done anything to it, and I'm not going to, not today. And I'm going to try the banding method tonight to put on just the back. I'm not going to band this half, but I am going to band the back and see if that helps any. But yeah, I really like it, and I love the products that I use. I would recommend them. But this video is long enough, so I'm going to cut it short here. But thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, or if you want to know how I achieved this look, actually achieved it by me doing so, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than glad to do a video on that as well. But until next time, I love you all. I'm sending prayers your way, and I pray you're sending prayers my way. I hope we continue to pray for each other. Don't forget to share a smile with a stranger. You never know what someone is going through. And just know that I love you as Christ loves you, and I pray you're loving me back as Christ loves me as well. I know this video is a little different, but my channel is about so much more than just these. But anyway, so until next time, stay tuned for my next video, and I will be more than glad to share some tips, tricks, or whatever you would like to know. And come along with me on this healthy hair journey and trying to get it back on track. But you leave me in the comment section below what you think. If you think it turned out pretty good for only using the one product on the back and one product on the front. All right. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. For real. I love you all, and I will see you soon. Deuces.